Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Okay, I had a request to show how I got these nails. See if I can move this out of my way. How I got these, and every one of these nails are foil. This is a foil. These two actually are foils from Marquette, from AliExpress. This is a flower foil, which is right here. This came in a pack from Marquette, and it's this foil over black gel polish, and I will show that one. This also is a foil, but this one is from AliExpress, and this is some of it, and I'll show some of that. This is from AliExpress, and it is this foil, which is a very beautiful foil. This right here. These are some foils. I got 3 of these in, and I'm gonna try to take it. I tell you, foil is it's easy to work with. Look at there. That is so nice. I think that's going to be my next one. I'm not sure. AliExpress. This right here is a foil from AliExpress. This is one from AliExpress. All these right here are foils from AliExpress. And this is what I use, the Marquette Nail Art Foil Glue. And I'll show you. So, right now, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Okay, now first you want to go ahead and apply your foil gel, and trying to make sure I'm in focus. You go ahead and apply your foil gel, and you make sure you get it all around the nail, because any spots that there's no foil gel, there will be no foil your foil won't stick. And so now you cure it in your lamp for exactly 60 seconds. Now it has cured, and so I'm going to use this one first. And so here we go. And what you do is, now I've seen people, and you can be neat with it, as neat as you possibly can be, but you put the foil down and you put it on bottom side, not the top side, people, the bottom side. So you put that on there like that, and you can like I said, this is a lot easier to do than my own nail, because I'm not able to press the foil down on my own nail like this. So it's a lot easier to do it when you're doing this tutorial. And so then all you do, it doesn't matter which end, you just take it off. Now, you see there are spaces that don't have any foil, and I'm not going to use that. I'm going to take one of these older pieces that I have. And any piece that you have a space, just take it and press it down on that space, and you can fill it in. You see? You have spots that didn't get any foil on it, you can just press it on those spots and it'll fill it in. You can press it on the back, and it'll fill it in. And that's why you don't, I mean, I don't waste anything. You know, I don't like wasting anything, especially, you know, when you pay your money. You may not pay a lot of money for it, but it's still your money. So I just go ahead and do what I need to do. Any spaces that you see that need to be filled in, you press it and you can fill them in. And that's all I'm going to do on this one, but that's how you do that one. And now another thing you can do, if you happen to have, like I did, because doing these nails like this long, and it wrinkles on the side, and when you have a wrinkle, you have a space missing. So what you can also do is you can put some more gel on here. Just try to put a little gel on a spot that you want. If you find that you have spots, let me see if I can show you, like on this corner here, and they won't fill in when you do that, what you can do is put a little bit of foil gel over that spot, cure it for 60 more seconds, and then use your foil and fill that spot in. It'll fill right in. And so that's that one. And I want to give a shout out to my girl, Fearless Femme Star, because she's the one that asked for this to show how I did this. I am having a ball with foil. I'm telling you, foil is the best thing, especially since there's now, you have this gel that you can work with. Okay, I'm going to do the one with the flowers this time. And actually, you can use any color polish that you want and just put the flowers on the polish. I mean, you can use purple, pink, blue, black, white. I mean, all of these polishes look very nice with those flowers. Okay, I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put another coat on, and I'll be back. And now I'm going to apply the foil glue, the foil gel, foil glue, or whatever. Okay, here we go. And when you have a design like this, it doesn't matter about making sure that you do want to cover the whole nail, but especially when you're doing around the cuticle area, it doesn't so much matter, because part of the black is part of the design. Now, cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. You really only need a small piece to cover, just to cover the nail. Okay, 60 seconds is done. Here we go. And you can tell the bottom part because it's more dull. That's the bottom. And this is the top. You always put the bottom next to the glue, the part that's on the nail. I gotta make sure. Okay, there we go. And this works very, very well. I'm telling you, it really does. I love foils. Look at there. Now that is absolutely gorgeous. Nothing else needs to be done with that nail. That came out absolutely perfect. If you can see it. Beautiful. When you're using a foil that you can see through like this, you need to use a background color on your nail. With the first one that I did, this one, because it's a solid color, you do not need a background color on this. And the next one that I'm getting ready to do, which will be this, you do not need a background color. You can use it on a plain nail. Okay, so I'm just going to put the foil glue on here and cure it for 60 seconds. Now, I want to show you this while that's curing. Okay, you see how this has this big spot right here? So actually, you really don't want to start right there. You want to cut it off. And you can put that to the side because you'll probably use it later on. But this is where a lot of design is. So some of these you have to be careful and watch for the design. And make sure that you get that design in there. And so I'll cut it right there. And this is the piece that I'm going to use. You can always use those pieces as filler pieces, because you're going to need filler pieces. And I have this piece right here as a filler. See, it has some design in it, so I can use that always as a filler. Okay, here's the nail. And it's up to you which end you want to start on. You can turn it upside down. You can turn it around. There's no such, you know. You can put it there if that's how you want to do it. But you make sure that you press it down on the nail. I got to stay where you guys can see me. Okay, let's see what patches. See, you will have, now you see you got some places. So what you can do is you can take the foil and you press it back on the spots that don't have any, that did not get any foil. And see, lots of times it'll just, if you do it like that, it'll just come right off on there. Works fine. So those are the 3 designs that I have on my nails, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. And experiment with some foils. They're not that expensive. So okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and everyone, please have a beautiful, beautiful Thanksgiving Day. Love from me and my family to you and yours. All right, guys. Bye-bye. I'll talk to you in my next video. Love.